Very good morning children. Today let's learn even and odd numbers in maths. In the last classes we learned ascending descending order, forming numbers. So hope you all have done with the exercises that was given in the text. So let's move on to even and odd numbers. Here in this picture you can see 6 stars. Now let's group them into 2, that is we are making a pair of it. 1, 2, 3. We have 6 stars here and now I have made 3 pairs out of it. So the numbers that can be put into pairs are called even numbers. So we have 6 stars and we made 3 pairs out of it. So that type of numbers are called even numbers. Even numbers have 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0 in their ones position. That is, in the last position they will be having 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. For example, 12. In the number 12, the last number is 2. So, is 12 an even number? Yes. And what about 8? We told that 8 is an even number. 18. In the ones position we have 8. So, 18 is an even number. 20. Last place we have 0. So, 20 is an even number. So, take down your notebook and write today's date and write the heading even and odd numbers. And you can do an activity here. So, in this we have to find out the even numbers. We have the first question 45, 88, 24, 13, 11. In this question we have to find out which one is even. 45, 5 comes the last in the ones position. Is 5 an even number? No. So, 45 is not an even number. What about 88? In the ones position we have 8 and 8 is an even number. So, we can say 88 is an even number. What about 24? In the ones position we have 4. So, 24 is an even number. 13 we have 3 in the ones position. So, that is not an even number, and 11 we have 1 in the ones position. 1 is not an even number. So, we have to pick and write what all are even numbers in this question. The second question we have 56, 21, 30, 92 and 44. In the same way we have to find out. Let's check 56. The number 6 comes in the ones position. Is 6 an even number? Yes. So, the number 56 is an even number. What about 21? 1 comes here in the ones position. So, 21 is not an even number. 30. 0 comes in the ones position. 0 is an even number. So, we can say 30 is an even number. 92. 2 is an even number. So, 92 is an even number. And 44, we have 4 here in the ones position. 4 is an even number. So, we can say 44 is an even number. So, like this we have to find out the even numbers. Here we have 3 digits. In the case of 3 digits it is the same. We have to check the ones position. Here in 152, 2 is in the ones position and 2 is an even number. 140, 0 is in the ones position, 0 is an even number. So, 140 is an even number. And what about 111? Is 1 an even number? No. So, 101 is not an even number. And 139, 9 comes in the ones position. So, 139 is not an even number. So, these are the answers for the activity. The even numbers are written here. Now, let us check. Here we have circles. Like I did in the stars, I am going to pair it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have made 7 pairs, but 1 circle is remaining. I can't make a pair of it. So, such numbers that cannot be made into pairs are called odd numbers. Odd numbers have 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 in their ones column. For example, 13, we have 3 in the ones column. So, 3 is an odd number. So, we can say the number 13 is an odd number. 5 is an odd number. 17, the number 7 comes in the ones position. So, we can say 17 is an odd number. And 29, 9 comes in the ones position. We can say 29 is an odd number. Now, let us do an activity. We have to find out the odd numbers. The question 22, 21, 13, 57, 59. We have to find out the odd numbers. For that, check the ones position. If it is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, we can say that it is an odd number, or else it is not an odd number. So, write down the question, pause the video and then come back once you have done it. Hope you have finished. Now, let us check the answers. In the number 22, we have 2 in the ones position. So, 2 is an even number, it is not an odd number. So, 22 is not an odd number. 21, we have 1 in the ones place. So, 21 is an odd number. 13, we have 3 in the ones place. So, we can say that 13 is an odd number. In the number 57, 7 is in the ones place. So, we can say 57 is an odd number. 59, 9 comes in the ones place. We can say 59 is an odd number. In the same way, 115, 112, 145, 169. Check the ones place. 5 is an odd number. So, 115 is an odd number. 112. 2 is not an odd number. So, we cannot say that 112 is an odd number. 145. 5 is an odd number. Number 145 is odd number. 169. 9 comes in the ones position. So, 169 is an odd number. Third question, 102, 103, 164, 111. Here 2 comes in the ones position. So, it is not a odd number. 103, 3 comes in the ones position. So, 103 is an odd number. 164, 4 comes here. Is 4 an odd number? No. So, 164 is not an odd number. 111, we have 1 in the ones position. So, we can say 111 is an odd number. So, here are the answers for the activity. If you haven't done it properly, you can correct it and then try again. Now, hope you understood what are even numbers and odd numbers. Now, let us learn skip counting. Here you can see a number line from 0 to 10. A number line is a straight line on which numbers are written at equal spaces. So, here is a number line from 0 to 10. Now, let us learn skip counting. This is skip counting in twos. Here in the number line we have 0 to 15 and we have to skip 2 numbers and we have to reach the number 14. So, to reach the number 14, what we have to do? We have to jump 2 numbers and then reach 14. We will start from 0. So, from 0, we have to jump 2 numbers 0, 1, 2. We drawn a semicircle there from 2 to 4. So, 2 plus 2. We jump from 2 to 4. From 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12 and 12 to 14. So, we have jumped how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have jumped 7 times to reach 14. So, we skipped 2 and reached 14. So, this is the basis for the multiplication. Like this you can learn the multiplication table. Now, let us learn skip counting in threes. Before we jumped 2 numbers, here we are going to jump 3 numbers. In this number line we have 0 to 12 and we have to reach 12 by jumping 3 numbers. We will start with 0. So, 0, 1, 2, 3. A circle, semicircle is drawn and then from 3 to 6. 1, 2, 3. Again 1, 2, 3 from 6 to 9. 1, 2, 3 from 9 to 12. How many times did we jump? 1, 2, 3, 4. We jumped 4 times to reach 12. So, this is skip counting. Now, you can open your text and open page number 14. In that page, you can see skip counting in 5s. So, start from 0, skip to every 5th number till you reach 30. In that number line, 0 to 30 is given and you have to skip 5 numbers and reach 30. Similarly, skip counting in 10s. Start from 0, skip to every 10th number till you reach 30. Here you have to jump 10 numbers and then reach 30. So, hope you understood what is even number and odd number and the skip counting. So, that's all for today. We will be meeting in the next class. Till then, thank you.